Hello, you guys. Jermaine Cord. I'm back with another video, and today I got an unboxing for you guys. I'm a little tired. Today, but went to the gym. Got my knife to unbox it. I ordered this for my birthday money. I finally got it. Hdmi Cord from Amazon Basic. I think that's what you call it, Amazon Basic. I finally got it. I'm so excited because I have to take one, because I only have one TV right now. I take it from my TV, and then as I'm done watching TV in my room, I have to put it in my room, because I use this where I plug my computer to my TV. I have the cord on me, but I have a cord. Let me see, hold on here. Yeah. I have it. It's called a UVO. It's a box. Yeah. I don't know how to do this. It's a box where you plug your, it's like a USB. Plug into the box. The box plugs into the computer. You attach an HDMI to the other end of the box. You put it into the TV. And your computer shows up on TV so I can watch TV. I'm not to watch YouTube videos. But anyways, we're gonna get right into this unboxing. It's YouTube Basic. It finally came in today. I have some other packages coming in the mail as well. These are all the stuff that I use my Fidel Amazon gift cards I got for my birthday. My birthday was last Tuesday. You guys wanna know? USPS tracking. Let's just get right into it. And then trusty butter knife here, kitchen butter knife. So, show you guys right now. Nothing there. Just the Amazon Basic itself. It comes in this Amazon company packaging. So this is for you guys. Alrighty, so we pull out other packaging I want it to be. Okay. So this just comes with some English title, French, German, Chinese, Italian, Japanese. Here it is. Has gels in them. It's HDMI, Amazon Basic. Right here it is clear gels, so we're gonna unwind it and see the length. I forgot the length was. Like it's 3 feet, I think. Okay. Hold on, you guys. Right. Alright. It's not really long, but it's just and then plug into my TV in my box. So it's not long. It'll fit perfectly for my TV in my box. But anyways, see that little joke caps on them. Take them off. Put this outside and that's it. So it's like a 2 feet, I don't know. It's not really long. Amazon Basic. It's really dark, but it says Amazon Basic. Right there. Hold on, you guys. Anyways, what do you guys get now? So it's how junk is new, but Amazon Basic, not long, but it's perfect for my TV and in my box. So it was worth the purchase, because I hate being the one for my TV. Our HDMI cord. It's kind of a joke, but yeah, Amazon Basic. It says high speed. Here you go. Certified fabricate instructions, free packaging. Amazon Basics high-speed HDMI cable 3 feet, 0.9 meters. Support Ethernet, 3D, and audio. Return high speed. And other than it has in other languages. So three. Another language tells you. So I guess it's 3 feet. I can have a 3 feet cord for music. This isn't built like 3 feet, but that's what it is. Amazon Basic. So it tells you right here. Basic HDMI high speed. So it's worth the purchase. I got another one. Maybe I have a package coming in tomorrow. If not, it should be coming next Tuesday. So stay tuned for that, you guys. Thank you guys for watching this video. Just a quick unboxing of my HDMI cable I finally got in the mail. Waiting for. Let's see if I can find some decent TV in my room. So yeah. Stay tuned for some more videos. If you haven't seen check out my last video I did. My unboxing video of Duck Dynasty apparel, size teacup. If you guys are a big Duck Dynasty fans, I drink tea from a cup and he's made it famous, and I got that size teacup and other unboxing. So go check that out. Other videos I did, Daniel Bryan's retirement for all my WWE fans. Super Bowl 50 thoughts, reactions, and results of the game, and that's basically it. I have other videos too, but those are the latest ones. We have just a quick unboxing of it. This is it. This is literally it right here. I'll show you guys. It's decent. I'm pretty sure. Let's see. But anyways, thank you guys for watching. Like this video, leave me a comment, subscribe for more. I might do a video how to set up your HDMI to computer to put on to watch TV. So stay tuned for that. It'll be kind of cool. You guys might want to watch. So yeah, HDMI. I have a decently small TV. This is a decent size TV. I'm not saying it's that small, but yeah, see the gel protection, so I won't ruin it. But anyways, like I said, like this video, leave me a comment. Subscribe for more, you guys. Yeah, always stay classy. Always peace. I'm out of here. Bye, guys. Have a good one.